How to clear app usage data cache on iPhone. First, on the home screen or in the app library, open up the App Store. Then tap on your profile account at the top. Now we scroll down and tap on personalized recommendations. Now from here, tap on clear app usage data. Then tap on clear app usage data. Now these settings here will apply to the App Store experience. So you clear the app usage data store on this device that helps personalize your App Store experience. So it's only for the App Store. If you want to clear the cache for other apps on your device, you usually can perform an offload. So if we go into here and if we go down into the apps, in here you can see there are different apps that install on your device, so we normally can offload them as well. So go into settings and then we go down and tap on apps and select App Store. In here you can turn on offload unused apps, so it will automatically remove unused apps. That way you can also clear cache for any unused apps. You can also try to delete an app, and that way you will be deleting the app and all its data, including cache, settings, and store files. When you do this, when your app often crashes and freezes repeatedly, then you would want to delete the whole app and then reinstall it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.